Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted emails in Gmail. So if you've accidentally deleted an important email or someone hacked into your account and wiped out your inbox, don't worry, this guide will show you step by step how to try and get those emails back. So let's get started. Before we get into the recovery tool, let's ensure those emails are gone for good. Sometimes, emails you think are permanently gone might still be in your trash bin. To check that, head over to Gmail, click on the left sidebar, and find your trash folder. If your deleted emails are in there, great. Just select and move them back to your inbox or another folder. But if the trash is empty and the emails are truly gone, don't worry, there's still hope. Google offers a recovery tool specifically designed for cases like this, especially if your account was hacked or something unusual happened that caused the emails to be deleted. Here's how to use it. Open a new tab in your browser and type Gmail messages are missing into the search bar. From the results, click on the link corresponding to your device. Select the Android link if you're using a phone or the computer link if you're on a PC. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the section labeled "The steps above didn't help." Below that, you'll see an expandable option titled "Most of my emails are missing." Click the arrow next to it to reveal more details. In that section, look for the note that says, "We can help find your missing emails and secure your account." You'll see a clickable link there. Go ahead and select it. This will open a new tab with the Gmail message recovery tool. Here, you'll be prompted to confirm two important details: your email address and whether or not the account belongs to you. Once you've verified everything, click Continue. Google will now run a quick check to see if your deleted emails can be restored. It's important to note that this tool doesn't work 100% of the time. There are cases where Google may not be able to recover your emails, especially if they've been deleted for an extended period of time or if there are technical limitations. For instance, when I tested this on one of my accounts, no emails were recoverable. However, for others, this method has been successful in retrieving lost emails, so it's absolutely worth trying. And that's it. Hopefully, you'll be able to recover your deleted Gmail emails using this tool. If you have any questions while trying this out, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.